No, you're not. My Judas book.
Welcome to the Classic Game Room review of Mario Kart Wii. Released in 2008, this is one of the flagship titles for the Wii, and one of the must-have games on that console. This might be my favorite Wii game that I've played to date. Definitely one of the most fun and technically rock-solid games. The design...
Ollie, look! Look! I'm taking a picture. Look, I have a sticker. Dora sticker. I'm still taking. Press this button. Ollie, press this button.